Superstar 5-assist bridge cutting saw is used for cutting and engraving marble, artificial stone, rock plate. The head can turn 360 degrees. The platform can be lifted up 85 degrees, more easy for loading stone plates. The sensing camera system can ensure the accurate position. One-button tool sensor by software automatically save time a lot. The spindle motor will use 24,000 RPM speed. It can drill in square holes, round holes, and other shapes. And the saw blade motor, one-button tool sensor, replace quickly and easier. This machine can cut in by 45 degrees, cross-cut, any shapes cut. With the new suction moving plate, you can move in large plate easily and also do multi-source processing.